Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you are quite well, and here is 3D seamless background vector template you can use in Adobe Illustrator. Here is APS file and JPG SVG. Okay, but these are protected password in this app. Buy Nova lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, join me, and last is Telegram channel. Subscribe this, and I will provide every notification of video first here. Okay, so here is a preview. You can remove it and make more better. For example, open in Adobe Illustrator, extract layers, extract group, and you see here is a shape. You can change anything. You see here is text. Okay, logo, you understand. You can change anything. You see, okay, now open this one. Same thing here, extract layer, extract groups, and change anything. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care, Allah Hafiz.